Strings. We are not strangers to strings, as we have already said. Hello world. In that example, we used double quotes around words to define the value of the string. We can also use single quotes. And we can use triple double quotes and triple single quotes. String values may contain quotes or single quotes. Consider the message, "Where is James?" If we use single quotes for this string, we will get an error. We can either escape the single quote before S or use double quotes. Here is an example using double quotes. Now, consider the following case. He asked, "Where is James?" Here, we can use single quotes, but we can also enclose the string in double quotes while escaping the inner double quotes. If the string value contains both single and double quotes, then you can enclose them in triple quotes. Triple quotes also allow us to jump to the next line, like this. Now, check this out. Message 1 equals hi. Message 2 equals my name is James. Message 3 equals message 1 plus message 2. Yes, you can add strings. This is called concatenation. You can also multiply strings by a number, like this. Note that you cannot concatenate a string with a number. You will need to convert the number to a string. To convert a number to a string, type str and the number in brackets. You can convert a string to a number by using float to convert it to a float, or int to convert to an integer. Before we go to the next video, let me leave you with this quote. Numbers within quotes are strings.